How do you go from FIFA YouTuber to a critically acclaimed music genius? Well, LA native Quadeca has the answer for you. He started doing YouTube videos about soccer, FIFA, and some rap-related content, going into diss tracks, and which led to his single Sisyphus in 2021, which people realized that he was serious about his music career. He then went to his highly conceptual album I Didn't Mean to Haunt You, which talks to the perspective of a ghost.
Back by popular demand. Back with the offers in my hand. Back with my heart under the sand. Back, yeah, I'm back. It ain't hard to understand.
Then it led to his more fun and catchy album Scrapyard, which has my favorite track called Easier.
I want you 'cause it breathes. I want you 'cause it breathes.
So I definitely recommend checking that one out. And last August, he released another conceptual album talking about mentally escaping and sailing into the open water called Vanisher Horizon Scraper. And he's already moving on and has another album coming out rumored this summer, which with one release single last week called Dark Magic.